Are you in high school or college? Do you want real video production experience? Are you a motivated individual and open to learning new things? Then apply for an internship. Offering internships for spring, summer, and fall. To apply, visit us at TBAE.net, then hover over About and click Internship Programs. Discover your passion. Learn the craft. Join our team.